the first section, let's just see the indoor lights.
Bring to the global shipments of Tuya Smart in 2021. We are glad to see that the proportion of indoor lighting fixtures and ambient lights, for example, like the strip lights, downlight ceiling lights, is increasing rapidly. This indicates that the users' acceptance of the more forms of smart lighting products is increasing. That's a good news.
And this is the very first one. We do have sample here. And she's ready to have over the sample. Yeah. And this one, since this is a floor lamp, we separated this of the only top one. And this is as tall as the one right here behind me. So let's take a look at the appearance first. Well, can you zoom in and see this appearance? Well, you guys can't touch it and can't really see the details, but this one looks quite nice and neat. And of course, this is not simply a coincidence because I own the design patent since 2018. So nothing comes free, right? You are paying for the design and it's not more expensive for the record. So the advantage for this 25 watts light is that most items from the market are of 1200 lumens. But this one can do 1600. So do the calculation, you are obtaining 400 more. So as for the control combination, a support touch, button, and app, and it just feels smooth. Quality and warranty side, Bling offers either 3 years warranty or spare part ratio option. So
what's more interesting is that you can always design your own unique software panels in the Tuya Smart backend, as well as the multiple functions.
Well, what about we just watch and see? So the second one, as shown in the slide, let's move on to the next slide. And this one is right behind me over here sitting. It's like this tall. Can I stand up? Can I stand up? All right, it's like this tall. And the product is almost the same with this one sitting over here. Only the appearance is different. And
the panels here.
Right, and it's all just connected the panels over here. Would you like to control it for me? It can be controlled separately for the top and bottom part. See, the color is changing. Oh, not really. If you can zoom out a little bit.
You could. Oh, I think the power is cut off. Oh, sorry, it's me.
It's a connection over here.
And you can control the color temperature or the brightness here in the panels.
Right, and it's separated the top and bottom.
Yeah.
No, it can't really zoom in, right? Oh, fine. If this way, there we go. The connection over there.
Yeah, here are a lot of dynamic lighting effects here. For example, like the walking. Oh, sorry, it's too bright.
Fine.
And rating.
It's just the wrong way to do this, and we are demonstrating that.
The natural mode and the colorful mode. Yeah, a lot of selections here.
Well, we are doing this in a small room, and we can't really set everything up. But this is very simple design, and you can just control it from the panels on your cell phone. And the standard lifetime over here is 30,000 hours. So are you doing the calculation? I hope your math is quite well. So those two devices already who the manufacturer is. Why will you make sample requests from them? So Bling is the manufacturer we are introducing today, and they started business in 2012 and entered smart lighting in 2016. That's why we ask you when was the first time that you joined the smart lighting business, because 2016 was the very first year. So if you did enter this one before 2016, then you are an expert, or you are already running business in this section. And Bling is the first batch who cooperated with Tuya Smart, so very trusted partner with us. And R&D engineering is about 30% of their office staff devoted quite deep into this. And it turns out the percentage does make sense, since they obtain about 20 patents each year for China and the broad market. Well, they do also do reliable tests, which you care about so much about the quality side. And they do function aging tests 100% before leaving the factory, which lasts 8 hours a day. Those are the information that are required.
Okay, I think these two products can not only control it by the lighting effects, but also it can support the music sync function and also the voice control.
Right.
Oh.
We do have the next sample over here. Well, the ceiling lamp. So this one ceiling light has been very common seen in apartment construction nowadays. It feels decent, which you may not be able to feel, but I'm telling you this. The key point for this ceiling light is that it can be controlled separately again. And what's a separated part? Definitely not the top and bottom, because I'm turning it around, it looks like this right on the cell. On the ceiling of your house. So it can be controlled separated from the light and the ring over here. So this one is going to be white light. When you are reading or when you are doing some daily stuff in the living room, you need this light. But when you are creating the atmosphere scene, then you want some colorful things, and it can be controlled separately on the ring. And especially this one, especially for European and elder market, those are two ways. For countryside, European countries, and for age side, the elder market, it has one more remote control options, because in that markets, people prefer the controllable remote.
And I think as for this kind of product, ceiling lights, Tuya Smart is strong at the adjustment on not only on the light colors but also the light color temperatures, because the RGB colors and the color temperature can be controlled at the same time to realize a more accurate control. And also a separated built-in night light is also available especially for the midnight use. Besides, we can provide you together with a RF control for this kind of products.
So anything you think our audience might be interested in this part?
Yeah. Firstly, about the market size, I think the recessed light, especially powered by Tuya, occupied more than 70%, right? Okay, on Amazon
70.
US is 70% on Amazon US station. It's a reliable choice for you, and because we have more professional capabilities, for example, like the advanced dimming in 1000 and the curved control. This feature will make the dimming performance more comfortable and soft in the senses, which is more conducive to human eye tears.